What's up, Shanagi?
What you doing, bro?
I'm streaming. What's going on?
Who you with?
Bro, you know he's streaming. Like, stop acting like you don't be by your computer. Like, shut up, nigga. You in front of your computer 24/7, nigga. You fat fuck. You fat, goofy fuck, nigga. You are in front of your computer eating McDonald's all day in front of your computer, bro. You're fat as hell, nigga. You don't do shit else, my nigga. You don't get bitchy. You don't go outside. You're in front of your computer streaming all day, nigga. Stop acting like you didn't know he was streaming, my nigga. You knew he was streaming. You didn't want to be on the stream. Here, screen. Look at Snaggy, y'all. Look at Snaggy, y'all. That's what he wanted, bro. That's why you called. Look at him, y'all.